My name is Kathy Driver, and I live in Raleigh, and I am retired from the Environmental Protection Agency, and I have 2 grandkids whom I spend a lot of time with. I fell and broke my ankle 30 years ago. It was a severe break. I had surgery. They put in 5 pins, and over time those pins started working their way out. My ankle was painful all the time. It kept me from doing things like playing with my grandkids.
I saw Miss Driver, nice patient with ankle arthritis, and very debilitated with it. She had tried some non-operative approaches, had tried to modify her activities, but she just realized she wasn't going to get back to where she wanted to be.
I don't want to spend the rest of my life sitting in a chair and watching the world go by. I want my life back.
And so I gave her some understanding that by replacing the joint, she could have pain relief, the #1 goal, and with that, restore a lot of the function that she enjoyed prior to having ankle arthritis.
That was my first learning about this ankle and what the possibilities were. So I was very excited. I had the surgery, and it's made a tremendous difference. I was in the hospital about 24 hours. I actually had very little pain. The surgery itself was kind of a non-event for me. I don't even think about that part. I feel great. My ankle feels great. I have no pain. I don't even think about it. Friends say, "You don't limp anymore. You just seem a lot happier," and I am. I'm doing things that I had wanted to do for a long time. Even though it hadn't been that long since my surgery, I went out on the beach, I went swimming. It was great. I have my family there with me. Now that I have this ankle and don't have any pain, I'm playing more with my grandkid. I can ride my bike, we can go down to the greenway, and just have a great time together. And so this is really life-changing for me.